What if everything you assumed about running a business was wrong? One solo operator, armed with nothing but a MacBook, an iPhone, and a precisely designed AI system, is pulling in nearly $19,000 a month. No sales team, no office, no overhead. This is not a side hustle story. This is a blueprint for what modern solo entrepreneurship actually looks like. Every night, 7 Claude agents fan out across Google Maps in multiple cities, identifying small businesses with outdated or non-existent websites. By morning, those leads have been turned into custom landing page mock-ups, built in Lovable, and 10-second personalized pitch videos rendered in Higgsfield. Cold outreach fires automatically through the right channel for each niche. The operator wakes up to booked calls, not spreadsheets. Most people building with AI agents make a critical mistake. They let every agent touch everything. The result is corrupted state, inconsistent outputs, and systems that fail in unpredictable ways. This operator did the opposite. The orchestrator owns all rights. Sub-agents are strictly read-only. There is no shared memory state, only a shared file system. These boundaries were drawn before a single prompt was written, and that decision is worth more than any clever instruction. Fully automated does not mean completely hands-off. The system is designed with 2 precise human checkpoints: when a deal exceeds $3,000 and when the reply rate drops below 12%. Everything else runs without interruption. This is the real power of human-in-the-loop thinking. You are not babysitting the machine. You are positioned at the moments where judgment, intuition, and accountability genuinely matter. The total API bill for running this entire operation is $480 a month. Against revenue of roughly $18,800, that is a margin most traditional agencies would consider impossible. But the numbers are not the result of some exotic idea. Web design agencies have sold local business websites for 2 decades. What changed is that one person can now automate the entire top of funnel, from identifying leads to booking calls, without a single hire. There is a widening divide in the AI space, and it has nothing to do with which tools you have access to. Claude, MCP, and Lovable are available to anyone with an internet connection. The divide is between people who can design agent systems with proper state management and those who are still stringing together API calls and calling it automation. One group builds infrastructure that compounds. The other rebuilds from scratch every time something breaks. Perhaps the most quietly remarkable detail in this entire setup is the mobile agent living on his iPhone. While the operator commutes, the system is qualifying inbound replies, selecting optimal meeting times, and booking Zoom calls without any manual input. The subway becomes an office. Downtime becomes productive time. This is not a feature of the iPhone or any single app. It is a consequence of building an architecture that is device-aware and always on. The real takeaway from this story is not that AI can replace agencies. It is that the mental model you bring to agent design will determine everything. Access to tools has never been more democratized, but the ability to define ownership boundaries, design for failure modes, and place human judgment at exactly the right moments, that is something you have to develop yourself. The people building that skill right now are not just ahead of the curve, they are defining it.